So we're going to look at this tree browser right here. So how do you get Chrome? How do you get Edge or Firefox installed? So I would say personally, like depending, I know there are some people that are using a very small laptop just to learn how to code. So the thing is that you can think, okay, what do I need to have? Which one is the most important of the three? And for me, I would definitely say Chrome. Uh, I would recommend that you pick Chrome if you think you just need one of them. So, but if you have like a bigger laptop that you have capacity, then you can just go for the three of them. So, but with Chrome, you actually have a lot of value for what you're doing. So, which is actually a very good one. So, how do you get Chrome to install? So, when you go on Google, you can just Google Chrome, or just go to this URL here that I'm going to add in the link. And in this URL, you say Google Chrome, and you can see. So the idea is that when you go to this URL, it's automatically going to detect the operating system you're using, the type of machine you have. So either it's macOS, then it's going to show you macOS download here. Because I'm on macOS, so it's showing me macOS. So, and if you are on Windows, definitely it's going to automatically suggest to you that, okay, download for Windows. So Chrome works on all operating systems, so get Chrome download and you'll be fine. Because I have it downloaded already, I'm not going to do that. So, and if you already have it on your computer, there is no need to reinstall again. So whatever you have is fine. So the second one I would say is if you want to pick two of them, then I would say then go for Firefox. So why I say that is that because Firefox and Chrome use different engine internally. So there are some things that are available for Firefox that are different or rendered differently on Firefox and on Chrome. I've had that experience all the time, especially when it comes to scroll bar and things like that. So definitely download it, and this also is going to give you what you based on the machine you're using. So this is going to be for macOS definitely. So you just select and it's going to be for Windows or for macOS depending on your machine, and you're gonna have that. So then we go to the Edge. So Edge is amazing now because Edge also, why I say Edge and Chrome is almost the same is because Microsoft have adopted Chromium, so which is the engine in for Chrome. So Edge is basically the matchup. So they have like almost the same experience with Chrome. So which is good. So for this you can download for macOS, you can see here, and you can also change for Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, for Android, iOS. So you have all these options here. So, and that is that about your web browser. When you have those three, you can install all of them. And then after web browser, what else do you need? So you need an editor. So I'm going to quickly change this color. Yeah. So you're going to need an editor. So editor just like what we've been using on the freecodecamp.org. So you see this space where we type all those things, that's an editor. That's just a simplistic form of it. So, but at a point you need something on your machine where you can use to edit. So even though you can use any like Word, Notepad, all those things to edit, for programming and writing codes, there are actually custom softwares that are actually built for that specific purpose. So which is really good, and one of them that I will recommend is what we call VS Code. So there are a lot of them, there are a lot of options out there that you can take, but I would just like recommend this. Yeah, because it's just amazing. So VS Code is built by Microsoft, and it's being used by a lot of engineers out there for coding, and it's absolutely brilliant. So, and the thing is that it's absolutely free to use. Well, so you don't need to pay anything. It's open source and it's free, and you can use it, you can download it. It's cross-platform also. It means that it's available for every platform out there, either Linux or Windows or Mac. you have VS Code available. So just go to vscode.com. This is the website for VS Code. This is it. Code editing is really fine. It's amazing. It's brilliant. So just download this. So for Mac, for Windows, for Linux, so you can see all the 3 platforms here. So just click on download and install. Installing is just easy. You just download it and just drag it, just like the way you install any other app, and you have it installed.